Tapos may tour guide kami, si Kuya Eric. If you want to get him also, I'm gonna put his contact number here. Tripod! Medyo umuulan kapag morning. Pero pag sa hapon, wala naman. Ayan na sila. Ayan na yun si Eric. Magpupungko. Mga rock formation daw. Yung may pool doon. Pero it's low tide?
Low tide pa.
Low tide pa.
Pero mag-high tide na. So let's go. So you have to time your visit.
Okay. Follow her, get her kasi HEC creator ka. Ay, tama. Ayan, si Kuya yung naka-red. Si Kuya Eric. Madali niyo siya tandaan kasi Erica yung name ko. So, Eric siya. Ito yung shortcut on the way to Magpupungko. Saan po? Diretso?
Kuhaan niyo lang. Si Kuya Eric.
Yes.
Gaano katagal na po kayo nag-tour?
So mga 5 years na siguro, ma'am.
Ano pong magandang schedule? Ganun.
Depende kasi naman buwan, week. Kasi dito sa Magpupungko Rock Falls, kailangan dito low tide pag pumunta kayo dito. Kasi pag high tide, wala kayo makikita ng rock formation. And then, pool, yun.
Mas okay po magmotor, tama,
yes.
kaysa van.
Oo.
Pero kung maramihan?
Ay, depende po. Yung maramihan, may mga bata, mas better sa van.
Magkano naman po yung rates ni Kuya?
Ay, mura lang. 2,000 hanggang 1,500.
Depende.
Depende po.
Ayan. So, contact niyo na lang si Kuya Eric. Lalagay ko
Yes.
yung number niyo dito. Thank you,
Alright,
Kuya.
thank you.
Wow.
Kuya, basta yung buko hindi yung daliri.
Dyan kuha ng
Kuha
school.
kasi tinanggal.
Ay kuya, ano? Ang kamay mo.
Sanay na yan.
Yung kamay mo po, Kuya.
Sanay
Ingat.
na yan, masaktan.
Yan.
Ay.
Dalawang ganyan.
Nako.
Thank you.
Yan.
Siyempre tatapon yun.
Ganun pala, paikot.
Gusto ko durug-durug. Erika.
20. 120.
Parang first time nila to.
Oo, na may angkas.
Kailan na
in
i-color grade pa?
Siargao.
Best. I think we're
Best.
coming back.
Yeah. Tomorrow?
Yes.
Now we
We're
get
surfing
it.
again tomorrow.
Yes, coming far.
it was
Sila
crazy,
po,
man. It was
Sila
crazy.
Pua, boring.
Next time na sila po.
Bloody hell, mate. I think this is gonna be my life, you know.
We're already looking for places to stay in Siargao kasi we're not going home anymore.
See you next year.
Sorry,
Joke,
parents. That was the last time we saw us.
What?
Na. Yung
joke lang.
To support us.
500 each yung pagkuha, pag-rent nung surf with instructor na.
surfboard
ayun.
per hour.
Per hour.
And then
Okay.
250 per person for the video, photos, etc.
etc. By the way, safe naman yung phone. Hindi naman nabasa yung phone ko. But if you have a GoPro, better. It's lunchtime. This is grilled liempo, grilled tuna, grilled chicken.
Fish Siargao Express.
Fish-
Vegetable curry. And then this is shrimp sinigang.
So, this place, it's Pacifico Beach kung saan yung surf. Actually, may tournament nga eh. Until today na lang, September 9. I'm not sure if we're gonna watch, but yeah.
We don't have time.
Yeah. But we suggest na you eat brunch first. So, tama yung decision.
Tour guide.
And the tour guide
Fix
through.
your plan.
Yeah.
Tour guide lang is.
Oo. And we only paid 1,800 for the whole thing.
It's 1,500 for the tour, 300 for the motor of the kuya. Tapos we paid for his gas na lang.
And food. And the food in Whitebeard, super duper good. Social. Okay, we're gonna eat na and then we're gonna go pa to a beach later. Ito pala yung GoPro ni Rach. What model is this?
This is the old one, pa parang Hero 6.
Hero 6, pero super nice. Yeah. Uy, careful na. Baka, ano yun? How was your swim? Good, good. Going back to Payag.
Wanna see the sunset.
Yes. Time check, it's... What time is it, Mark?
4:52.
Yes. And that's 20 minutes.
Patikim namin. Ay, patikim ng bed.
Alin? Suka? Hala, I want Chinese.
Oh, talaga ba eh.
Pati
gago, wala
pwede
naman.
naman kumain nun daw. Di ba kayo kakuha?
Post dinner. Simon. Simon.
Hindi pa.
Sisimutin pa. Argao. Okay.
Oh, may kanina
Here's
may
the place. Really good. Andito lang kami nagsistay. Ayan, yan na yung Payag. Must try. Must try. Must try. Okay, tell them about the owners of Siargao Hawker.
One of the guys lived in Singapore for more than 30 years. Tapos he just wanted that life. So, lipat sila here. And then, nagtayo sila here ng ano. And sabi niya, their goal isn't to make money. But,
To live.
yeah, that life. Pero, basically, pumatok yung business.
Yeah.
So, si Erica bahala mag-share to the tourists.
And then here naman, sabi they've been here for 6 months pa lang. Pero yung isang Singaporean, parang 30 years na siya sa Singapore. So, syempre, authentic talaga and real. And kita naman, super duper good yung food. Super duper good. Yeah, ayan. So, come here! Di pa daw masyado kilala sa tourists. But yeah, here yung menu nila. Ayan. And reasonable yung price kasi quality yung food. And then, ano? Ito. We're gonna go out lang to a chill place siguro.
Was
Ate, pre-order ko na lahat.
We're gonna eat breakfast at Kokomo. Pwede kayo mag-withdraw doon. The good thing about here in Payag, mayroong way para dumaan sa diretso sa likod. Ayan. Medyo mabato nga lang. And medyo bitin yung stay namin kasi 4 days lang. So, gets na namin kung ba't nag-extend yung mga tao. Cloud 9 din. Hungry. Oh, it's low tide.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do.
Ah!
I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. Just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see.
Bye-bye, room! Oh, it's the same.
Pork with sambal sauce.
Thank you. Dami.
Wala ko sa mood.
Kaya di ako
Other wonder ka.
Mark, go!
Mamaya.
Yeah.
Ano yung pinaka nag-enjoy ka? Na-pressure ako.
Oo nga, Mark. Mark, ano? Go.
Ano, yung island tour ako. Yung motor tour. Sarap na. Ako, na-enjoy ko yung motorcycle. Yung sotangon, okay lang.
Isotanghon. Ayan o.
Ano soton? Sotangon. Sotangon. Yung soton, okay lang.
Sohoton, no? Kapua and Erickson.
Motor. Eh, kasi first time namin nagmotor.
Ah, yun nga eh.
First day was chill. For us. Kasi
No.
no. Kami. May lagnat pa ako nun. First day.
Uy, pero gumaling si Mark.
Isang bote agad. Kalagnat ako.
Surfing currently.
Ikaw, surfing.
I mean, surfing. Ako rin. Hindi ko na-enjoy yung beach kasi mabato eh. Yung ano?
Yung swing.
Yung graceful.
Yung sa...
Siyempre, maganda yung ano niya eh.
Maraming fun.
Insert video here.
Insert video here. Then, nag-overthink lang ako at first. Pero, ayun guys, don't overthink and just do it. Kasi minsan lang naman kayo, like, pupunta. Especially pag mag-travel, diba? So, medyo na short lang kami
As long
sa
as
fun.
nag-enjoy yung
Eh,
cast.
kasama kasi si RT eh.
Arte kasi ang gastos eh.
So,
Ang
dapat
gastos
may...
dahil kay Arte. Insert here.
Insert here kung
Charot.
bakit. Oh my gosh. Yun yung funds namin. Ay, hindi. May 500 pa kami. Ayan, ito yung common fund namin. With all the receipts.
Pero ang daming utang nung fund.
Daming utang.
Sa mga tao.
And use Telegram as a group chat kasi you can edit the text and all.
Pati pin.
And then bring this kasi it's a fan. 3 modes. Tapos, it's a power bank. And may flashlight pa siya. And umbrella. Kasi super inat. Yun nga, naswertehan lang kami kasi nag-tour kami, hindi masyado mainit. Kaya hindi kami ganun kasunod. Super sulit yung pag-stay namin here. Malaki yung room. Upgrade from the Davao trip last year. If you want to watch that vlog, it's here. You can, just click here. Or in the description box. Thanks, Mark. Naghihintay na lang kami ng shuttle namin now. 2 p.m. Joiners. And yung flight namin is at 4 p.m. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!